Cooling down your smartphone, understanding and fixing overheating. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many smartphone users have encountered: overheating. Have you ever felt your phone heating up while you were using it? It's not just uncomfortable, it could also be a sign of underlying issues. So, let's explore some common causes of mobile phone heating and what you can do about it. First up, heavy apps and games can really push your phone's processor, causing it to heat up. Another culprit could be prolonged exposure to sunlight or leaving your phone in a hot car. Now, let's talk solutions. Regularly clearing out unused apps can prevent overheating by reducing the workload on your phone's processor. And always remember to keep your phone out of direct sunlight to avoid unnecessary heat stress.